Hey friends, today I'll share with you my favorite cozy claw clip hairstyle. So let me know in comments down below which one was your favorite. Let's jump in. For the first one, we want to make a low ponytail. Make an opening through your ponytail and bring your ponytail through it like that. Now we want to tighten it. Grabbing our ponytail, we want to smooth it. Bring it through our opening again. If your hair is longer than mine, make sure to wrap it several times. And then cover it with your thicker section of your hair, grabbing your side sections you want to clip with a small claw clip. For the next one, we want to make again a ponytail, and then you want to make an opening and bring your ponytail through it halfway through, bringing it up and covering your ends. You want to use a claw clip to fix this construction in place like that. Make sure to use a bigger claw clip in this case. For the next one, we want to make again a ponytail. And last time, make sure to pull your hair just a little bit through, and then making an opening, you want to bring this loop through this opening. Gathering the hair from the sides, you want to use a claw clip to fix it in place. Leave the ends out. You can brush them and you're done. For the next one, you want to tie your hair, creating a low ponytail. And last time, pull your hair halfway through, wrap the ends around the elastic. Then grabbing your loop, you want to divide it into two and use a claw clip to fix everything in place. This time use a longer or a bigger claw clip, like so. Again, want to make a ponytail. Make an opening, bring your hair through this opening. Tighten, and with this ponytail you want to make a super simple 3-strand braid. Of course, you can make here any type of braid that you like. Make sure to tie the ends using a clear elastic. Pinch and pull your braid to make it fuller and voluminous. And then, hiding your ends, you want to wrap your braid up like I'm showing. And then, using a claw clip, you want to fix it horizontally like that. For the next one, we want to brush everything nicely through. Bring your claw clip upside down like that, and then grab your ponytail. You want to wrap it around your claw clip. Bring your claw clip up. Then again, you want to bring your hair through the claw clip again. If your hair is longer like mine, you want to bring it one more time through the claw clip and fix it to the hair like so. I'll show you one more time. Repeat it several times, and trust me, you'll understand how to make it, okay? But that's it for today, guys. Let me know in comments down below which one was your favorite. And love you so much, and see you soon in my next one. Mwah! Bye!